Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
What's up guys, I'm Andy from 1A Auto. Today I'm going to show you how to replace a plate light bulb in this 2008 Chevy Silverado work truck. If you need parts for your vehicle, click the link in the description and head over to 1aauto.com. To take the plate light bulb out, we can grab from underneath the vehicle, underneath the bumper. You don't have to raise the vehicle, you can just grab from underneath. We just raise the vehicle to show you better. The socket is right here, just grab the socket. And you're gonna twist it to the left. We'll just twist it to the left a little bit and then pull it out just like that. The bulb right here, you take your fingers, just grab the bulb, slide it out. It's a 194 bulb. To reinstall the bulb, line it up into the socket just like that. Slide it back into the housing and twist it to the right.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1aauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.